Here's the new air conditioner, everybody. Okay. Let's see, we have a picture of it on the front. Oh, I just measured it. The width is, let's say, 18 and a half inches wide. That's the same as the other one. Same. Yeah, there's what it looks like. Okay. Reason I'm leaving it in the box because rather than pick it up, which I'll have to maneuver it up, onto the stove oven to get it in, once I get it in the kitchen. See, this way, I can just drag it in. Just grab this, see, and just drag it. Because, see, it's got cardboard on it. Then we'll be dragging it through the kitchen here and to this one right here. If this is coming in, I doubt if it's coming in. Okay. But anyway, oh man, that's the new air conditioner. You know, that is it. That is it. I'll make another one after I get it installed. And what I'll do so people can see it, even though I have a fucking 100-watt light bulb here, it's this camera. I'll bring my drop light in here and hold it out there, to where it can be seen. Okay, but I love you, Almighty God. I love you, Jesus Christ. Bye for now, y'all.